Hi, kindergarten artists. Today our artwork is going to be inspired by the artist Wayne T. Bowd. Wayne T. Bowd is an American painter who painted lots of delicious things such as desserts and food, and he's also paints landscapes, and he's also still alive. He's 100 years old. So we're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil to draw cupcakes inspired by the artist Wayne T. Bowd. All right, let's get our materials and let's get started. Kindergartners, I have my paper, I have a pencil, I have my coloring materials. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to use today. If it's markers, most likely markers and colored pencils. All right, so we're going to draw 2 cupcakes based on this artist Wayne T. Bowd. I just showed you some pictures of his artwork. Okay, so we're going to start off, we're going to draw 1 cupcake on each side. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a diagonal line that goes from the middle of the paper down to the bottom, go across, and another diagonal line up over here. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Diagonal line, straight line over, diagonal line. Okay, and then for the top of the cupcake paper, I'm going to just do bouncy curvy lines like this. And same thing on the other side. I'm going to draw straight lines from each point down to the bottom. Same thing on the other side. Okay, and on this cupcake, I'm going to do the frosting a certain way. I'm going to go in a little bit, and I'm going to do a curved line here, and in a little bit on the other side, and a curved line here. Then I'm going to draw a curved line to connect the frosting there. Okay, the next level, I'm going to do a curved line here, and a curved line here again, and I'm going to curve the line to connect it. Okay, and then above, I'm going to draw a curved line like this. I'm going to swirl it up like this with a little point and bring it over like that. Okay, and on the top, I always see these sticks that come out of the cupcakes that are really yummy. I draw like a rectangle and just add some curvy lines going on that. There's our first cupcake. Okay, and on the other side, I'm going to draw a curved line. I'm going to come in a little bit again and draw a curved line here, a curved line here, and then I'm going to draw bouncy curvy lines around here like this for some fluffy frosting. I'm going to draw some circles inside to represent maybe some candy, and on the top I'm going to make a cherry. Okay, also on the sides I'm going to make lines, and in the center to look like our cupcakes are on a table. So I'm going to make a line here, a line going across the center, and a line across the other, oops, that's a little too high, across the other side, and just try to make sure it lines up with that other line that I didn't do just now. Okay, so now that I'm finished with my drawing, I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to trace over everything that I drew. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back when I'm ready to color. I'm back, and I traced everything with my black marker, and now I'm ready to color. So I'm going to start with my cupcake paper first, and I'm going to be a little creative with the color. So I'm going to do half on each side orange. I'm going to use crayons today because it's a little bit faster for time's sake. Half orange. Okay, and I'm going to do the other half a purpley color. Try to color as neat as possible and go right up to the edges. Try not to go outside of the edges. Okay, now I'm going to color my frosting. My frosting, I'm just gonna do a blue, but I'm gonna do a little bit dark here. Do dark in this area and dark here and dark around here. And I'm going to do the lighter blue underneath. Whoop. Okay, I'm looking at my colors, trying to use complementary colors. I'm going to color this brown because it's most of the time I think it's chocolate. And I'm going to go on to the other one, and I'm going to do, oopsie. I'm going to do the top half pink. You can add any patterns you want to these cupcake papers. You can really do whatever you want. Please don't copy me. Try to do your own colors, your own ideas. Okay, and on the bottom, I'm gonna do a greenish color, right? So like I said, you want colors that complement each other, like red and green, blue and orange, purple and yellow, or versions of that color, each colors. Okay, so that's that. Then I'm gonna color my cherry up here. And I'm gonna use this color green for my frosting here. I'm going to color my candies this beautiful bluish color. And inside, I'm going to color this top yellow. Hope you could see that because it's really light. Okay. Then I'm going to color the table and the background, and I'll come back and I'll show you. But as for now, I cannot wait to see what yours looks like. So don't forget to send me a picture. Thanks. Okay, so I am finished. I colored the table gray and the background an orangey color. And I wrote on the top, Cupcakes, C-U-P-C-A-K-E-S. Okay, and on the bottom here, I colored a little bit darker underneath the cupcakes to add a shadow. So if it's to look realistic, if it's sitting on the table, it would most likely have a shadow underneath from the light from the top of the ceiling. Okay, so again, don't forget to send me a picture of yours. I can't wait to see. Thanks, bye-bye.